Most apartment balconies look like this: empty, neglected, and completely unused. But what if I told you that you could transform this dead space into your favorite room in your entire apartment for just $100? In the next 8 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Let's go. Your balcony is prime real estate that most people completely ignore. It's an extension of your living space, a place where you can start your morning with coffee or unwind after a long day. But a lot of small apartment balconies end up feeling empty and uninviting because they lack basic elements. The good news? You don't need a huge budget to fix this. We're going to focus on 3 key things: furniture for comfort, plants for life, and lighting for atmosphere. These 3 elements will completely change how you feel about your space. This balcony is completely empty. No furniture, no plants, no personality, just cold concrete and a gray railing. But I'm about to transform this forgotten space into a cozy outdoor retreat. Let's see the transformation. The thing about small apartments is that every square foot counts. Your balcony might be small, but it's valuable real estate. It's an extension of your living space, a place where you can breathe, relax. Today, I'm going to fix that. I'm going to show you that with 3 key elements, furniture, plants, and lighting, you can transform this barren space into your favorite spot. Let's break down exactly what we're buying and where. First, an outdoor rug from Amazon for $28. This rug creates the foundation of our space. It's warm, it's textural, and it instantly defines the seating area. Next, 4 indoor plants from Home Depot for $22 total. These bring life and natural color to your balcony. String lights from Amazon for $18. Warm white light creates that cozy, magical atmosphere we're after. Two outdoor cushions from Target and Wayfair for $22. These add comfort and bring color to your chairs. Finally, wooden plant pots from Home Depot for $10. Total investment, exactly $100. That's it. Now let's start transforming. First, we're going to clear this balcony. I'm removing any debris and making room for our new outdoor oasis. This is important. You want to start with a clean slate. This space had become messy and forgotten, so today I'm giving it a complete reset. Deep cleaning, organizing, and bringing back that cozy feeling. One of the biggest changes was reinstalling the plastic divider between the neighboring balconies. It adds more privacy, makes the space feel cleaner, and gives the balcony a much more finished look. Now here comes the magic. We're laying down the rug. This is the foundation of our entire transformation. Watch how it instantly adds warmth and defines our seating area. See how different the space already looks? The rug changes everything. It makes the balcony feel intentional, designed, and inviting. We've just used our concrete slab and turned it into something special. Next, we're bringing in seating. I'm placing these 2 chairs on either side of the space, creating a balanced, symmetrical look. Notice how I'm spacing them deliberately, not too close, not too far. This creates conversation and connection. Now for the cushions. These are absolutely key. They add comfort, they add color, and they add that cozy factor that makes a space feel like a real retreat. When you sit down in these chairs, you're not just sitting on basic furniture anymore, you're sitting in your own sanctuary. Such a small detail, but it instantly made the space look warmer, more comfortable, and perfect for relaxing in the evenings. Now the balcony feels less like a storage area and more like a peaceful outdoor corner where you actually want to spend time. Look at this already. From an empty concrete slab to an actual seating area. This is incredible transformation. And we're only halfway done. We also added a small table next to the chairs, and it completely brought the whole balcony setup together. Now it feels like the perfect little spot for morning coffee, reading a book, or simply enjoying some fresh air after a long day. Now for my absolute favorite part, the plants. Plants are transformative. They bring life to any space instantly, and they make it feel natural, welcoming, and alive. I'm arranging these at different heights to create visual interest. The larger plants go in the back corners, and the smaller ones sit in front. This creates depth. It makes the space feel fuller and more intentional. Look at what's happening here. The hard edges of the concrete and metal railings are being softened by this natural greenery. We've gone from an industrial balcony to something that actually feels like a living space. The plants are doing so much heavy lifting here, and they were incredibly affordable. The finishing touch is lighting. String lights are absolutely transformative. Now watch what happens when we turn them on. The entire mood changes instantly. This isn't just a balcony anymore, this is a sanctuary. This is a place where you can sit with a cup of coffee in the morning and think about your day. It's where you can unwind in the evening and just breathe. The warm glow of these lights combined with the living greenery around you creates this perfect escape. You're not leaving your apartment, but it absolutely feels like you've stepped into a vacation. And here is our complete transformation. For just $100 and a few hours of work, we've turned an empty, unusable space into a beautiful outdoor sanctuary. This balcony is now my favorite spot in my entire apartment. It's where I start my mornings, and it's where I unwind when the day is done. It feels like I'm on vacation without ever leaving home. The best part? This transformation is completely achievable for you. You don't need a huge budget or fancy furniture. You just need a vision and the willingness to transform your space. If you love this balcony transformation and want to see more apartment makeovers, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.